take you through the process of being part of a hybrid event. So today we're here for the BEatPenang 2021, and at BEatPenang 2021 we take your safety and everybody else's very seriously. So let's go. So I've done my test, and of course it's negative. All you have to do next is make sure that everything is in the plastic they've prepared and disposed. We're done. Basically, it's a simple walkthrough on the steps we take to ensure everybody's safety, and also in line with Penang State Government's Responsible Tourism Campaign, a campaign which will ensure everyone that we are adhering to the SOPs to make sure we all can help curb the widespread of the pandemic. Take care.